Safety always comes first at Volvo Buses. It has been a core value since we were founded in 1927. To make it possible to travel together in these times of Covid-19, we at Volvo have implemented a solution to disinfect the air in our buses and reduce the risks posed by viruses and bacteria. An ozone generator in the climate system continuously produces active oxygen. This is transported through the filters, air ducts, and finally through hundreds of air outlets throughout the bus. The active oxygen works like a detective agent and combats viruses and bacteria in the air and all interior surfaces, such as seats, handles, and glass panels, as well as every hard-to-access corner where only air can reach. This system makes the air and internal environment cleaner and more comfortable than ever before, reducing not only virus particles, but also air pollutants from vehicle exhaust gases, which are always present in the air. Welcome aboard, and have a safe and relaxing journey with Volvo, just like you always did.